Hello everyone, today we have here BMW E46 from 2002, didn't pass the inspection for front wheel brake lines, which we are going to replace today. There is one more thing I forgot to mention. When you start this job, you'll have to release first there, and then you need to release it here. But when you put it back, you need to put it back first here, tighten it up, and then only you go to this side. Otherwise, you'll be blocked. You will lose some fluid in the process, which is normal. Just put some pen under it. I didn't do this. Now I need to clean up the mess. But if you do that, you can avoid unnecessary cleanings. So after this side is finished, we need to bleed the system. I'll show you this in a moment. So your setup should be looking something like this. Then you go to your car. And you start to pump the brake pedal. At the certain time, you'll have to hold it like this, and I will, the second person, that's a two-man job, will release the valve there and the air bubble will come out. After that, the valve will be closed again, and you need to pump again. So you take the wrench, you put it on like this, then you take this hose, slide it over, and the second person now should be starting to pump. Start. Faster. Hold. You can see the air bubbles. That's what we need to avoid. Pump. Hold. Pump. Hold. Pump. Hold. I can see a little air bubbles here now, so we'll do more pumping. Pump. Hold. Pump. Hold. One more time. Pump. Hold. So now I cannot see any air bubbles. It should be fine. You know what? Let's do one more time. Pump. Hold. Yes, positive. It's good. So now this side is finished. It's ready. And this braking sensor keeps coming out. You put the cap back on like so. I'm going to clean this area now. I'm going to clean up this area, and you're actually done. All you need to do is to fill in some fluid. I will do it in a minute, and then you need to repeat this job to the other side. So now I'm going to put the wheel back on, and this side is finished. So here is your brake fluid. You need to top this up. I will put this at its maximum because I also need to do the other side. It will be lost a little bit again. There you go. So this is how you do brake lines on the front wheels on BMW E46 from 2002. Thank you very much. See you next time.